6th grade. I am 10 years old. I love to read. I am in 5th grade. My favorite subjects at school are PE, music, math, reading, social studies, science, spelling, just about all my classes. I love dogs. I have a dog named Garrett and 5 cats. I am raising a guide dog puppy named Jobat. As you may have guessed, I live in the country. I am in 4-H and I will be raising a lamb to sell at the county fair. I just started learning ballet. My teacher says I am very good. When I grow up, I want to be a famous ballet dancer or a teacher